Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show y'all how to get your edges slayed. I mean slayed, laid, soft, and best of all not flaky, and they're going to last all day. So I just figured out how to do this yesterday. I've been using Eco Styler gel for the longest for my edges, but it wouldn't really last all the time. It wasn't like super secure, I guess, and then it would flake sometimes. So I really love this method. You're going to need about 5 products. So you're going to need Shine and Jam, and you can use whichever kind you like best. Then you're going to need some type of moisturizer. I like to use this Bouncy Curls pudding from Shea Miracle. You're going to need a scarf. Then you're going to need a toothbrush. Mine is a charcoal toothbrush with soft bristles. And I also have this edge brush. I really don't like to use it because the bristles are so hard, but I really like it because it has this little thing on the end that helps you kind of like shape your edges or whatever. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna zoom all the way in so y'all can see what I'm doing. Yeah, y'all can see like I still have a leftover edge from yesterday and I went to sleep and everything. First thing you're gonna do is get your moisturizer, stick your toothbrush in it and get a little bit. And I just use this to kind of shape my edges, like just to pull them out or whatnot. You're gonna have a lot of extra product if you heavy-handed like me, but yeah, this is just to help get them out and to kind of form them, but as you can see that they're not gonna lay down. Alright, so alright, so now that I got all the edges that I want, I'm just gonna pull my hair in a ponytail just to help me stay organized and not get any of my other hairs. So now I'm gonna come in, and this is really the holy grail product, y'all. Like, this stuff helps your hair stay super duper sleek, and I like to be heavy-handed with this as well just to make sure that they're gonna stay. So you just literally brush it on top. And I typically like to use my fingers to guide my edges, but when that don't work, then I go in with that little tool that I showed y'all on the end of my little edge brush. Alright, so y'all can see I like to do little swoops. Sometimes I do the little wavy thing, but typically I like to do swoops. And depending on how I wear my hair for the day, that kind of determines how I do my swoops. So like I'm doing them in a low ponytail, I'll like do them differently or whatnot, but I don't even know how I'm wearing my hair today, so it don't really matter. Alright, so now I'm about to do my little sides right there. Sideburns, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so as y'all can see, my little edge right here is pretty thin. So I'm going to try to get more hairs just to make it fuller. Alright, now that I got more hairs, I'm going to get a little bit more of the Shine Jam and apply it. Alright, so now I'm just touching them up, making sure that they are what I want them to be. Okay, so alright, so y'all see like this little area right there? There we go. Alright, so yeah, now that I have them all nice, I am going to get the tail of that one and just kind of brush it in. Using a moisturizer because I like the tails to like go into my hairstyle. That's why I'm doing my edges first, so that like they lead into the hairstyle, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that they are all nice and done, I'm going to use my scarf to wrap my edges, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all how they look once I take my scarf off. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I just let my scarf sit on for I don't even know how long. I started doing work and stuff. But anyways, yeah, it's time for the big reveal so y'all can see how much I put y'all on, because literally it's just finna be slayed like Boots a Badass. Okay, if I can get my scarf off, oh my god. Alright, so you take your scarf off and your edges are absolutely polished. They're gonna stay. I hate when I have my little cap right there. I said cap line right there, but yeah, they're gonna be stayed, slayed, no flaking. I see I have no excess product or anything like that. Like, it really works. Now I kind of messed them up a little bit with my scarf because I don't know, but they absolutely look great. They don't look like jelly, they just look nice, and they're really nice to touch. Like, they're really soft. Alright, I hope y'all liked this video and it helped y'all with y'all edges. Go ahead and like this video if it was helpful to y'all. Comment, and if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. My socials will be right here. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.